In this video, we're going to learn how to find equivalent fractions for 4 over 8, step by step. Let's start by highlighting the fact that fractions are equivalent when they represent the same value or proportion. Here is our initial fraction, 4 divided by 8. To find equivalent fractions, we can multiply or divide the numerator and the denominator by the same non-zero number. Let's start with multiplying both by 2. 4 times 2 divided by 8 times 2 equals 8/16. Remember, you can multiply both by any non-zero number. Let's try multiplying both by 3. 4 times 3 divided by 8 times 3 equals 12/24. Let's try dividing both the numerator and the denominator by their greatest common factor. 4, 4, and 8, the greatest common factor is 4. Dividing 4 and 8 by 4 gives us 1 over 2. Now let's look at some diagrams to represent our fractions. Let's start with 4/8. We'll draw a circle and divide it into 8 equal parts with